All right, let's get you caught up on the forecast. Look at that cluster of rain. It looks good. I wish we could get it in here. It's just a little too far away. But this pattern where we see these overnight clusters of showers and storms, we kind of got away from this. We definitely see this earlier in the summer. And this is a pattern that we see off and on throughout the summer. We call it northwest flow. We get these complexes of storms to develop in Kansas or Oklahoma overnight, and they move into our area in June, July, and August. This is our best chances of rain. We get a lot of these, and this is what keeps us green at times, but we've kind of gotten away from that. We haven't really talked about it in the last few weeks, and we've really started to dry out. I think we're going to get back into that northwest flow where we're going to see these clusters of storms moving into our area, especially during the overnight and morning hours being the best chances. We're still working on the timing, but I think we're going to get back into that pattern when we get into the weekend and we get into early next week. So fingers crossed there that we can get some much needed rainfall. For today, though, I think this cluster is going to stay overall to the north and should continue to weaken through the morning hours as it moves into Missouri. But we're going to watch the southern extent because I do believe that it is possible we could get some of these isolated showers to try to skirt at least portions of northwest Arkansas. Northeast Oklahoma will have a little bit higher chance, but the brunt of it should overall stay to the north. We're going to try to get some of those clouds to move in as well, but we're keeping our eyes on that pattern that we hope we can get into that as we get into the weekend and early next week. You saw a few blips of green there. Again, can't roll out a couple spotty showers later on this morning, northeast Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas. Outside of that, we're quiet and not looking much different than we did yesterday. We've got some heat in the 90s, starting out 60s, low 70s, back-to-back mornings, northwest Arkansas. Yesterday was much warmer in the River Valley. We're looking a lot nicer this morning with some 60s and lower 70s mixing in spots. Low to mid-90s for northwest Arkansas highs. That's where we were yesterday. I think that's where we'll be again today. River Valley, similar to yesterday, 97, 98, up to 99 degrees in our warmest spots with the humidity higher just to the west and southwest of us. No heat alerts out across 5 country here for your Thursday. Those heat alerts knocking on the doorstep, though, just to our west and our southwest. Again, that criteria is 105 or higher. I think we're going to be below 105 once again. Feels like temperatures mostly in the 90s for northwest Arkansas. Again, the pattern, we've got a cold front coming in. That is going to help us, again, get some northerly winds in here, try to drive in some lower humidity, some cooler air Thursday night into Friday. That helps with the temperatures dipping as we go into the weekend. And then also, again, if we can get back in this pattern with some clouds and some scattered shower chances, then that'll help lower those temperatures as well. We're going to work on the timing and all that, but again, overnight into the morning hours, there'll be some chances of an afternoon shower here and there, but we could see those overnight showers and morning showers pick up as we go into Saturday morning, Sunday morning, and again, Monday morning. There's also the chance we could stay in that pattern with some more scattered storm chances in the first half of next week. Those rain chances, if they stay the same, could be on the increase as well.
A little bit of rain isn't going to mess up my weekend.
No,
I'll take it.
No, not this time of year. Nobody really gets too upset if it rains a little bit.
Yeah, for sure.